All right, it's the employee's lawyer here again. I'm going to say this, and it's probably not going to be popular, but I don't care. It's my experience, what I've seen through over a decade, nearly 15 years of representing employees against employers. Um, People currently have a tendency to reminisce on different time periods and say what they would have done. That goes from slavery, that goes to the civil rights movement. And I'm going to say this. A lot of y'all would not have been the tough persons that you claim you would have. You are. You just wouldn't have. And that don't matter the race, because it's not a race thing. It's everybody. People will say what they need to say or do what they need to do in order to preserve whatever it is that they have. All right? There are plenty of times where I'm representing people in discrimination cases and harassment cases, retaliation cases, and they have coworkers, people who they may socialize with, at work and outside of work, who see what's happening, but they don't want to speak up because they're afraid of losing their job. They're afraid of being retaliated against next. Okay? And, I can't blame you. Got a family to take care of. You have responsibilities. You have obligations. Like, I get that. But that's the majority of the people. They're not willing to speak up. And that's black, white, whatever. Young, old, whoever. All right? It's not specific to any certain group, any certain demographic. That's across the board. Okay? So when you're talking about slavery, or the civil rights movement, where people's lives were at stake, not just their job, their life, their families' lives were at stake. You would not have spoken up in that time. And that's majority of people. Most people are not willing to come forward to help someone that they know who is suffering. That is what it is. And so as an attorney, when I say you need to have your evidence together, all your stuff together before you complain, like, that's real. That is real. That's real. Because these people, they don't care. Like, they will take you up, they'll come after you, Like, that's a real fear that, retaliation, even though it's unlawful, they don't care. Companies don't care. It's what you can prove.